Hi, and welcome to Grandad on Enfield. Well, kind of a sad day. I've decided to sell the Honda. The reason is I've damaged the Bullet 500 trials, doing a bit of off-road, and I wanted to do a bit more kind of green laning, not heavy-duty off-roading. So I'm not going to sell my Interceptor. There's no way, and I'm not going to sell the Bullet. So this is a sacrificial bike, we'll say. I'd like to know what you think, what bike I should get. I'm thinking something like an XT600 or a KLR 650, something along them lines, or even a CRF 250 or 300 Honda. So let me know what you think I should get, or should I keep the Honda and forget about going green laning? So like I say, short sweet video today. Thanks. Ride your own ride. Grandad on Enfield.